Are you one of the many women who believe cutting out all carbs is the key to losing weight? It's time to rethink that strategy. Today we're going to explore why you shouldn't avoid carbs and what the best carb options are for female fat loss. Stick around to learn how the right carbs can actually accelerate your fat loss journey and improve your overall health. As a nutritionist who has helped countless women achieve their weight loss goals, I've seen firsthand the positive impact the right carbs can have on your body and metabolism. Let's dive into the heart of the matter and tackle the big bad wolf in the room, the carb myth. You've probably heard it all. Carbs make you fat. Carbs are the enemy. Avoid carbs at all costs. But here's the truth bomb. Not all carbs are created equal, and they're not all the villain in your weight loss story. In fact, they might just be the unsung hero. Carbs are like the fuel for your body's engine. They keep you running, especially when you're juggling a million things as a career-driven mom. But here's where it gets tricky. It's the type of carbs you choose that can make or break your fat loss journey. I'm talking about the difference between processed carbs that spike your blood sugar and whole nutrient-dense carbs that keep you energized and satisfied. Let's break it down with some science. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that diets with a higher percentage of carbs from whole grains and fiber were associated with lower body fat. That's right, lady. Choosing the right carbs can actually help you lose weight and keep it off. So, before you banish all carbs from your kingdom, consider this. Rice, legumes, fruits, and veggies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support your metabolism, digestion, and overall health. They're the loyal subjects that keep your body's kingdom thriving. It's time to rewrite the carb narrative. They're not the enemy. They're an essential part of your balanced diet. By choosing wisely and embracing the power of whole unprocessed carbs, you can fuel your body, support your health, and still rock that fabulous dress hiding in the back of your closet. Let's talk about the dynamic duo that should be on every career-driven mom's radar: carbs and metabolic health. It's time to shift the spotlight from fearing carbs to understanding how they can be your ally in managing weight and boosting your metabolism. Yeah, you heard that right. The right carbs can be your metabolic BFFs. Whole, unprocessed carbs like sweet potatoes, quinoa, and oats are like the unsung heroes of your diet. They're not just about filling you up. They're about fueling your body's engine in a way that keeps it running smoothly. These power-packed carbs come loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which work together to regulate your blood sugar and keep your metabolism humming like a well-oiled machine. Now, here's where the science backs up the carb love. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that diets higher in whole grains and dietary fiber were associated with lower body mass index and waist circumference. But it's not just about the scale, it's about how you feel. When your metabolism is in check, you're less likely to experience those dreaded energy crashes that leave you reaching for the nearest sugary snack. Instead, you'll enjoy sustained energy that powers you through your busy day, whether you're nailing a presentation at work or chasing after your little ones at home. So before you write off as carbs as the enemy, remember that they can be a key player in your metabolic health. By choosing the right carbs and pairing them with a balanced diet and active lifestyle, you can support your body's natural rhythms and keep your metabolism firing on all cylinders. When you're on a mission to shed some pounds, the carb choices you make can either be your greatest allies or your biggest foes. But fear not. I'm here to guide you through the maze of carb options and lead you to the ones that will help you torch fat while keeping your taste buds happy. We're talking about the creme de la creme of carbs for fat loss. Start your veggies, fruits, legumes, rice, quinoa, and yes, even sourdough bread, my favorite. First up, let's shine the spotlight on starchier veggies like sweet potatoes, butternut squash, and beets. These vibrant powerhouses are not just a feast for the eyes. They're packed with fiber and nutrients that keep you full and energized. Picture a warm roasted sweet potato salad or a hearty bowl of butternut squash soup. Comfort food that actually helps you lose weight. Fruits, especially those with a lower glycemic index, like apples, berries, and pears, are your sweet allies in the fat loss battle. They satisfy your sugar cravings naturally while providing a burst of antioxidants and fiber. Imagine snacking on a juicy apple or a bowl of mixed berries. It's like nature's candy that actually helps you slim down. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are the unsung heroes of the carb world. They're not just a source of carbs, they're packed with protein and fiber, making them a triple threat in your fat loss arsenal. Think of a spicy lentil curry or a refreshing chickpea salad, delicious and waistline friendly. Now let's talk about grains. Brown rice and quinoa are the stars here. They're versatile, nutritious, and keep you feeling satisfied longer. Whether it's a fluffy quinoa pilaf or a stir fry with brown rice, these grains are your ticket to feeling full without the guilt. And last but not least, sourdough bread. Yes, you can have your bread and eat it too. Sourdough's fermentation process reduces its glycemic index, making it a better option for those looking to lose fat. So go ahead, toast a slice of sourdough and top it with an avocado or tomato. It's a guilt-free pleasure. Incorporating these carbs choices into your diet is like having a secret weapon in your fat loss journey. They provide the energy you need to power through your day and your workouts, while their fiber content keeps you full, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Embracing fiber-rich carbs can transform your journey into a more enjoyable and sustainable one. Berries and leafy greens, often overlooked, are the unsung heroes in the realm of weight management, offering a symphony of flavors and treasure trove of nutrients. Leafy greens, including kale, Swiss chard, and arugula, go beyond being mere salad ingredients. They're packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, adding volume to your meals without the extra calories. They help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your weight loss plan without feeling deprived. The magic of fiber-rich carbs lies in their ability to support a healthy digestive system, which is crucial for an efficient metabolism and effective weight management. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that dietary fiber intake is associated with lower body weight and a reduced risk of obesity. This highlights the importance of incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet for both weight loss and overall health. So, next time you plan your meals, remember that those top carb choices are your friends, not foes, in the quest for a leaner, healthier body. Which carbs have you been avoiding in your diet? Are you open to trying some of these healthier options? Let me know in the comments. Now, if you haven't had carbs in a while, I'd recommend that you start slowly, cycling them in to avoid any unwanted weight gain and energy crashes. Carb cycling involves alternating between periods of higher and lower carbohydrate intake, strategically timed to support your goals. On high carb days, you'll fuel your workouts and replenish glycogen stores, helping you perform at your best. These days are perfect for intense training sessions when your body needs extra energy. On low carb days, you'll encourage your body to burn fat for fuel, leading to greater fat loss over time. Carb cycling isn't just about losing weight. It's also about maintaining a healthy relationship with food. By including your favorite carbs strategically, you'll feel satisfied and less likely to overeat or binge. This can lead to a more balanced approach to your eating, supporting your overall health and well-being. Research supports the effectiveness of carb cycling for fat loss. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Medicine found that carb cycling was more effective than a traditional diet for reducing body fat and preserving muscle mass. Now, If you need more help with this, download my carb cycling cheat sheet in the description below. Now that you know about the best carbs for fat loss, I encourage you to watch the next video in this series where I will reveal the hidden truth about carbs and weight gain. It might just surprise you. I'll see you there.